So all the way over on the other side of the planet, the West Indies Test cricketers are set to battle England in a 3-test series. Of course, we all remember the last test match the West Indies played. It was victory, glorious victory, led by fast bowler Shamar Joseph, when the Windies did the unthinkable, beat Australia in Australia. The challenge now is that Shamar Joseph will no longer be a secret weapon. The English must have analyzed and scrutinized every single ball he bowled in that historic test match. And their plan will surely be not to allow live wire Shamar Joseph to do to them what he did to Australia. The truth be told though, this West Indies team, as young as they are, have shown they are capable of putting in the odd good performance. With so many youngsters venturing into the English conditions, the best we can hope for is one of those odd good performances, and see if it takes us to another odd good performance and a series win.
Our children